CS3D imaging, placing an implant recorded class. This recorded class is designed for clinical team members. It provides the workflow for placing an implant, using the implant edit tools, moving an implant, selecting implant favorites, and updating the implant library. Place an implant. Open the volume and click the Curve tab. Click the Auto Trace button or activate the Dental Arch Creation mode to draw a trace along the dental arch. In the Tools pane, click the Activate Implant Placement tool. An implant tutorial window is displayed, illustrating the placement of an implant. To deactivate the tutorial, click Do Not Show the tutorial again. The tutorial can be activated or deactivated under Tutorials and Disclaimers in the Preferences window. In the cross-section view, click a point to set the implant neck. If you're placing an implant based on a crown, the first point must be placed within the blue transparent outline of the crown. Click to set the implant neck. As you drag your mouse, a line is drawn and displays a dynamic length and angle measurement. Click again to set the apex position. The implant selection window appears with the suggested implant selected from the user-defined favorites. Click the side arrow to set the favorite implant types to display in the implant selection window. In the window, select a different implant if necessary and then click OK. The implant is placed and appears in the implant object list. Implant Edit Tools. In the Tools panel, click the drop-down list and select Implant. The object list displays the existing implants in the Tools panel. You can show or hide the implant, select the color of the implant, use tooltips to show implant information, use the Center tool to center on the implant, or delete the implant. To move the implant information in the MPR views, left-click and drag the text. Use the plus and minus buttons when available for the selected implant to modify the implant length. Click here to add an abutment and enter the parameters. Click here to replace the implant. The implant selection window is displayed. Select a new implant if needed. Then click OK or Cancel. Moving an implant. To move an implant, click Activate Selection Mode. Select points to move or rotate the implant position. To verify implant placement, you can display a 360-degree view of the implant. In the Implant Edit Tools, select Center on Implant. Then go to the MPR tab. Rotate the selection handle. You will see a 360-degree view of the implant. Select Implant Favorites. To select favorite implants, go to the Implant Library Management drop-down menu. Select Favorites. Then, click the checkbox next to a manufacturer or specific implants. You can also select favorites in this window when you are placing an implant. Update the implant library. When updates to the implant library are available, a blue dot will appear next to the update icon on the main toolbar. To update the library, verify that the computer is connected to the internet. Next, click the update icon on the main toolbar. The Update Library window appears. In the Update Library window, select one of the following: Add Implant Manufacturer, Update Implant Manufacturers, Remove Implant Manufacturer, Import Custom Library, or Export Custom Library. You can export implants you have created yourself. You cannot export manufacturers' implants. The number of implant manufacturers increases frequently. Check periodically for updates. This concludes CS3D imaging, placing an implant recorded class.